On today's episode of Day 2 of Vlogmas 2025, I present to you salted caramel recipe. This recipe is amazing, it is universal and very nice. 3, 2, 1. First things first, get a clean saucepan. You can use non-stick saucepan or you can use a stainless steel saucepan. Pour in 2 cups of sugar. This is what I'm using for this particular recipe. Leave it on low heat and allow it to gently heat up. As it heats up, you will notice it has begun to caramelize little by little at the bottom. One thing you're going to do is that you should ensure you stir this often. The essence of stirring often is that you don't allow it to get burnt or allow it to cake up at the bottom of the pan. So with my spatula, I am constantly stirring this in between. Every 2 to 3 minutes, I have myself stirring it. You can see that dark brown dump underneath. That's a sign of the sugar melting and caramelizing. You continue to stir this around gently and generously. Low but steady heat is the best heat for this so that you don't have it, boiling like water. So you can see that the caramelization is gently taking over the whole sugar. So I continue to stir. Sometimes you will notice as if it is becoming lumpy, and that's why you have to keep stirring so that as you stir, it breaks down and it forms a uniform mixture or a uniform paste. Take a look at what it looks like. At this point, I'm going to add margarine. For this recipe, I used about 160 grams of margarine. This margarine is salted. I live in Nigeria and many bakers have access to salted butter. So I won't be adding salt to this recipe because my butter is already salted. Because I added butter to it, at this point it was as if it was really boiling. So I had to off the heat entirely. Then at this point it was the perfect time for me to add in my remaining margarine because I didn't add all the 160 grams at a time. I shared it in bits and added it in batches. So as you add, I wanted to observe it, see what it looks like and see how it's, combines with the sugar. So it took a bit of time, just melted, continue to stir in and ensure it, comes together, mixes up with the caramel, that's the caramelized sugar.